Okay, to create a new semester, just click the Create Semester button, and this semester is in 2019. The year is 2019, and the coming semester is spring semester. So you can select from the menu spring semester, and suppose the semester will start on 1st February. So 1st February 2019, and it will end on 15th June 2019. Okay, you can also give a semester key if you want to forbid students from any semester. You can give a key. We have already a key for the course, but we will also select a key for the semester, and that was cam by Earl. Okay, so we create semester, and now you see a semester here already created 2019 season is spring and starting and end dates. Okay, so I'm a teacher. I created this course, so I will see a go to class button when there is a student login. The student will see a join class button. So if I click the go to button, I have a class, and I have some students in the semester. I already added them before. So the students, when they sign in, they will not see student numbers or other information. They will just see the class. So in the next video, we will see what we can do in the class and how we can create exams.